Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Audi A4 key fob. First, find the small release button on the side or back of your fob. Press this button firmly and slide out the hidden emergency key. This step is crucial as it reveals the access point for opening the main casing. Keep the emergency key safe. You will need it later. Now, with the emergency key removed, look for a small slot or indentation where it was housed. Carefully insert a thin, flat tool, such as a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool, into this opening. Apply gentle pressure and twist the tool slightly. You should hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small coin cell battery. Take note of its type, which is commonly a CR2032. Carefully remove the old battery, being mindful not to damage the contacts. Insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper power flow. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves of the casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks firmly into position. Your Audi A4 key fob is now ready for use with a fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.